Hey everybody, Soapy Plups, Robbie here, and today we're doing a remake of our Tranquility Soap. I have my semi-cold liquids and I've measured out my lye solution. I have my safety equipment on and my glasses. And again, we're making a rebatch of our Tranquility, which is Werewolf from Nature's Garden. Alright, so we're at measuring today. I do the hot process method. It really helps. This is about 90 degrees here. And I am just going to strain my liquids into my hard oils and let them mix. What I do is I strain them over a regular strainer. Use both hands. There we go. Sorry if I'm blocking the shot here. There we go. Okay. Basically, just getting the light length out of it. It's a natural occurrence. Okay. And then we're going to put this over the side so we're safe. And basically, I'm going to use that hot lye to melt down my oils. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and mixy. This is a good seller. We only have 2 bars left, and people usually buy this in bars of 4. I had a little bit of olive oil left over today, so today we're going to be making this with olive oil and sunflower seed oil, castor, and our cold pressed hemp oil. I'm going to go ahead and bring this over. I have my kaolin clay into our regular liquid oils. Kaolin clay is an anchor for fragrance oils and essential oils. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and safely add in our ingredients down the stick blender. This is our lye water and our hard oils in with our regulars. Now I'm trying to do a really elegant design today. It's a fan design, and you basically are fanning white titanium soap and I use activated black bamboo charcoal. So we'll see if it gets a little bit crazy. We'll do a hanger swirl. But I'm going to cross my fingers that this oil usually works really good, and hopefully it will. So, blend this all together. Get it up. These are both really fluid still. And basically what I'm going to do is do this side. Okay. And we're going to rotate back and forth. And Alright. it looks ugly now, it will look beautiful tomorrow when I cut it. I swear it will, everybody. All right. And then let's finish with the white. Okay, and then we will have a like swirl on the right side, and then we'll have a yin and yang on the left. I'm just basically swiping this out. What? Swiping, wow. Playing too many ninja games on my phone. Okay. We're basically just getting all that beautiful soap in there. I wish y'all could smell this. And then all I did was this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I went back and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then so nobody gets a plain bar, you do this. Alright, that's it, everybody. That is it. Hopefully we turn out nice. And then I'm just going to go back and forth one more time here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time with this. Nobody gets a plain bar. Go straight up. Alright, that's it. Hope to see you guys back tomorrow. I'll go ahead and cut this. And nobody's told you today, make sure that you guys are important. You guys are awesome. You are enough. And go out and do something for your community. Peace out and stay tuned for the cut.